Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Hawaii's UST data. So the first resource I want to point out is a blog post on Convenience Talk. In this post, you'll find the links to the UST databases, and they're organized by state. And so if you go to Hawaii and you click on this link, you end up opening this page. And on this page is the list or the file that you can download that has the UST data files on regulated USTs and release sites in Hawaii. So if you download this file, I've uploaded the data into Google Docs. And I just added a filter, and you add filters in Google Docs from up here. And so what you'll find is the facility name. You'll find the address for the facility. You also find who owns the facility along with their mailing address, the tank capacity, and what's inside the tank. And I filtered this based on its tank status, which means that I want it to be shown as currently in use. So basically an active tank. That's it for Hawaii. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.